Traditionally, we're used to making quick decisions based on a gut feeling. That's because report making has been a time-consuming task for ages, and we're used to looking at the actual data once a month. But it doesn't have to be that way. Nowadays, companies have access to more data than ever before, and companies can either choose to be overwhelmed by it or use it to their advantage. BI is your ticket to an insight-rich, data-driven decision-making. How? Well, our highly specialized experts can help you discover the power of your data by turning it from rows and columns to quickly discernible visualizations. Our dashboards help you save time and money by combining all your data in one easy-to-access place. We're not just talking about pie charts and graphs. We further enhance our dashboards with machine learning capabilities, bringing those crucial advanced analytics to the front of your business. So why wait? Visualize your data, generate insights, automate your report process, and make the best decision based on your data, all with the help of BI.